Here are some modifications that I've done to my Logitech Z213 speakers. Firstly is the cable that connects to the control board to the main logic board which controls this subwoofer. I cut the cables a bit so that it will work as per normal, the lights will show on. Also, I replaced the male aux to the another male aux wire that I have around because the old one has issues due to wear and tear. Also, I replaced from a solder power plug to a socketed power plug. As you can see, this is the power cable. Just in case if this has issue, I can replace with a new one. This is the best mod that I have done for this speaker. One more bonus to add, which is these left and right speakers. I try to resolder the aux jack for the left and right is a mass success because of this subwoofer where this jack has some wear and tear, but I don't have the time to do the replacing the plug, which is going to be a hassle to find online. Well, that's been it for this mods that I've done for this Logitech Z213. For those who has this and planning to mod their speakers, here's some ideas you can make from there. Any speakers that works? Well, that's been for this video and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.